What if I told you, your slow cooker might be overcooking your meals into dry, flavorless disasters? We tested 10 top models, simmering stews, roasts, and even desserts for 8+ hours, and the results will shock home chefs. One popular model boiled instead of simmered, while our number 3 delivered juicy, fall-apart tenderness every time. If you want set-it-and-forget-it meals that actually taste incredible, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Crock-Pot Oval Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is a great choice for busy households. It has a spacious 7-quart capacity that can serve up to 9 people or fit a 7-pound roast. It has 3 cooking settings, high, low, and warm, and a timer to help you get dinner on the table in no time. The removable stoneware and lid are both dishwasher safe, and the stoneware can also be used in the microwave and oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Customers love the convenience of this slow cooker, but some have noted that the lid doesn't fit properly and the handles are made of cheap plastic. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Extra Large Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker is perfect for cooking large meals for your family or a potluck. With a 10-quart capacity, it can fit up to a 10-pound turkey or 12-pound roast. It has 3 temperature settings and a warming feature to keep your food at the perfect temperature. The clip-tight sealed lid prevents messy spills and the full-grip handles make for easy carrying. When you're done, the stoneware crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 3. Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot SCCPVL 610S, a 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker, is a great choice for those who want to cook delicious meals with ease. It features a 6-quart capacity, digital countdown control, a locking lid with a lid gasket, and a removable stone insert that can be used in the microwave and oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Customers love the convenience of the timer and programming settings, as well as the portability of the slow cooker. However, some have noted that the interior coating isn't as great as it used to be and that the pot doesn't have a lot of grip. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Cooker. The Ninja Foodi Cooker offers exceptional versatility with its 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to slow cook, sauté, and prepare rice and pasta all in one pot. This means less time spent on meal prep and cleanup, as you can cook mains and sides together efficiently. Its spacious 6.5-quart capacity is perfect for feeding families or meal prepping for the week, easily accommodating large portions. Plus, it cooks rice 50% faster than traditional methods, making it a great choice for busy weeknights when time is limited. Number 5. Crock-Pot Portable Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and easy-to-use slow cooker. It features flexible programming options, a 4-quart capacity, and more programming options than Crock-Pot SmartPot slow cookers. It also has an easy-to-program meal setting, so you don't have to watch or stir. Customers have praised its even cooking and automatic warm setting, as well as its easy-to-clean design. So, which slow cooker will you trust with your family dinners? Simmer your thoughts in the comments. If this meal-saving review upgraded your cooking, slow cook that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing pressure cookers. All our top picks are linked below. Cook with confidence.